One thing that's irritating as an artist is when you don't clean your brush properly and get the wrong color in the wrong spot on a painting. This video is to teach you how to properly clean your brushes. If you see my jar, you will notice that the bottom half is clear and the top half has paint. There is a reason for that. I typically fill my water up to here. Reason being is I like to come inside and just wipe my brush on the inside. Now I do use acrylic so paint dries a lot faster. I never clean my brushes to the bottom. I will never reach and clean a brush like this at the bottom, and here's why. When you are painting and you are cleaning your brushes, the paint that was on the brush sinks to the bottom. It's heavier, it's more dense. So when you clean your brush and you swift and you do all these things on the bottom, all you're doing is putting paint on paint. You're not really cleaning your brush. When you come to the side of your container and you wash at the top of the water, you allow your brush to get more clean and you allow the paint residue to sink to the bottom. So you always clean at the top of your water line. This is why this is like this. Now, you don't always have to use water to clean your brushes. You can also use a rag, a towel, paper towel, whatever you have, and wipe on here and wipe that off. But here's the thing you have to remember. You have to use colors that you are going to use. So I'll give you an example. If I'm using black, so let's say I have black on here and I wipe this black off and I go to white, that means that the color I'm looking for is gray. If I need a pure white, then that means I have to reach into my jar and clean off my paintbrush before I reach into the white. If not, the colors will mix. Here's the last tip I will give you. If you notice, my jar is not completely smooth. It has ridges on it, and these ridges are important to cleaning a brush. The ridges allow the paint bristles to catch and really clean your brush. When your container is too smooth, all you are doing is just wiping the sides of your container. You're not really cleaning the brush. You're not allowing the bristles to be hit hard enough to disperse of the painting residue that is already on the brush. I hope this video helps you. This is Forever.